Last week I discovered the antenna on my Astro was broken off. The mast screws to the base by a little stud. This is the repaired antenna base. The stud was broken off flush with the bottom of the antenna mast. Right here, flush with the base of the mast. I started with a 1/16 inch drill bit. Just holding it by hand, I was able to drill the center of the stud. I kept enlarging the bits until I got a 7/32. Then I found a 12/24 tap and I cut new threads into the base. You can see the result here, drilled and tapped. I found a package of 1.5 inch 12/24 machine screws, and I cut one off to make a replacement stud. I screwed the new stud in, and then using a cloth to protect the threads, tightened it into the bottom of the hole. And the antenna is installed. Before I started the project, I did some research on YouTube, and to replace the antenna base with a new part involves taking off the windshield wipers, taking this screw out and this screw out so that this trim piece can be removed. The antenna base is secured by 3 7mm bolts, and there may or may not be easy access to those. But then it really gets hard, because the under dash panels have to come off so that you can get access to the antenna wiring. Someplace under here there's a junction between the wire that comes out of the back of the radio and the wire that goes up to the antenna base. All the YouTube videos that I saw showed people with cuts and bruises on their hands from trying to reach in there and get at that junction.